Nutcracker Adventure, 24 unique videos, one new video every day leading up to Christmas. Day 14, and we are going to use the music from the Arabian dance to do an adagio at the bar for advanced level. Sideways to the bar, move almost to the end of the bar. Fifth position, arms on brava. 1, 2, take the bar. 3, open, arms and releve. 4, jeté with right leg in front. Fourth position, long. We're going to do port de bras forward, port de bras to the back, and the leg that is on the back is going to join in the leg in front in releve, fifth position. One more time, arms 1, take the bar. 2, open 3, releve. 4, jeté. Fourth position, forward, port de bras to the back. Now I would recommend you to bring a little bit of that Christmas holidays and characteristic of the Arabian dance to use your Arabic arms in that port de bras. Recover fifth position. Next we are going to do développé forward in demi-plie, and make sure to show off all these turnout exercises that we did on the day 5. Yeah, so demi-plie, arms on brava, first, fifth position, développé, still in demi-plie. This hip of the leg that is working goes back. Make sure to keep that turn out. Releve before doing tombe forward. That ends in arabesque, attitude. One more time. First position that recovers, releve. Demi-plie, développé forward. Very slow, releve, control. That tombe in arabesque, attitude. Promenade en dehors. Demi-plie. Fifth position, left leg on the back. Détourné, finish, right leg on the back now. And we're going to do the same, but everything to the back. So we are going to do développé in demi-plie to the back. Releve before doing tombe to the back. Leg and leg in front of us. Attitude. And we are going to do fouette with promenade that ends with left leg on arabesque on the back. Demi-plie, grand fouette and leg. So the leg that is on the back goes first position, open in front, goes to the side, and finish on arabesque. That's going to be fast, quick, and accent. And the arms coordination goes first brava fifth. Use the opposite shoulder to the leg that is in arabesque to press back, so we can have that accent and quick turn, okay? Fifth position, and grand plie, fifth position. Let's do the entire exercise until there, one more time. Arms on brava, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, port de bras forward, port de bras to the back, recover fifth position, demi-plie, développé forward, releve before doing that tombe in arabesque, attitude, promenade en dehors, turning towards the bar, demi-plie, fifth position, left leg on the back, détourné, right leg on the back, and we repeat everything to the back. Développé, releve before doing tombe, attitude, fouette with promenade, demi-plie, grand fouette en l'air, fifth position, grand plie in fifth position, that ends in releve. And the last part of the exercise, a friend of mine is waiting for this développé la seconde very slow, so we are going to do coup de pied, and we are going to turn promenade. So from sideways to the bar, we end up facing the diagonal away from the bar. Arms on brava, first and fifth. So one more time, all together, 1, and slowly 2, goes up, 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 balance before doing tombe to écarté derrière. Next, fouette facing the bar, arms up, step left leg on the floor, petit développé with right leg, big arabesque, diagonal to the bar, lower, and ponche. Now that ponche, we all know when we do arabesque, we need to feel that contraposition between the back, the opposite shoulder to the leg that is in arabesque. Now because I'm going to lift my arabesque, I'm going to let my chest to lower down. Rather, I'm going to press against that leg And in the penché, we have to feel that sensation the entire time. Not because I'm trying to do a split, a standing split, I'm going just to let everything lower down. Rather we keep that pressure, keep it, and it's easier than to recover up to arabesque, okay? So let's take it from développé, tombe, foot facing the bar, step with left, piqué with right, arabesque, lower slowly from relevé, penché, up, plie attitude, turn facing the bar, plie attitude, sideways to the bar, left leg is on the back, allonge fifth position, and we get ready to repeat everything to the other side. Remember that you can always pause this video, go back, rewind the exercise from the beginning, make sure that you know everything and you know how to mirror to the left side, and then you can join me. But now I'm gonna do it with music, right and left side together. 7, up, recover up, développé with plié, relevé, before doing tombe, attitude, plié, détourné, développé, relevé, tombe, attitude, and stretch. Plié, grand footé, up, grand plié. Use this time to breathe. Développé. Balance. Step, piqué arabesque. And breathe. Take your time. Recover. Plié. Up. Plié. Make sure to go to the end of the bar. And ready. Souffle forward. Souffle to the back. Recover. Wait for the music. Go. Up. Tombe. Attitude. Plié. Relevé. Détourné. Don't forget to breathe. Knee go back, 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 back. Stay in plié. Relevé before doing tombe. Hips back. Attitude. And slowly up. Remember accent up. Grand plié. Up goes up. Tombe. Step, piqué. Lower with control. Plie attitude. Plie attitude. Fifth position. And free pose.